let's start right about here, right in the page here in the middle. We're just gonna bring a big old swirly line up like that, and then we'll bring it down like this. There we go, and then another big swirly line here like that, and then this one over here like that, and then back down again like this. This is looking nice, everybody, and this is gonna be the hedgehog's crazy hair. There we go. I like that. And then we'll come back over here where we started, and we're gonna draw his eye, or at least his eyebrow. There we go. And we're gonna do the same over here, right about here like this. Very nice. Let's not forget his ear. We'll put an ear right about here, just a triangle, pretty easy, like that. Triangle and a triangle, oh, I like it. And what we can do is do the other ear over here now, like that, and like that. Pretty simple, I'd say. Alright, now we can continue with the eyes, right about there like that. I like that. Let's give him a nose. Nice oval nose like that. Right on. And now we can draw those beginnings of his mouth, his lips, and his cheeks right about here. Keep it a little narrow, like that. Oh, I like that. And we'll give him a big old smile, eh? Right there, like that. Oh, I like it. Good old Sonic the Hedgehog. He's always smiling. Now let's finish his eyes off like this. Bring it on down like this. A little swirly bit there. Don't forget to finish that off like that. And then the other eye will be coming up like this. Just like that. Oh, I like it. Now we can draw his pupils. So let's do one here. And we'll do another one right here. There we go. This is looking nice. Little highlight. Same over here. There's the highlight and there's the pupil. Very nice, everyone. I'm liking this. This is looking good. What we're gonna do now is draw another little piece of hair right down like this. I like that. And we're gonna make his shoulder right about here. And we'll have his hand on his hip, posing, if you will, just like this. And like that. I'll give him his gloves that he likes to wear, just like this. The little cuff. Can you do that? That's great. Now let's give him a hand. There's his thumb and his fist like this. Tuck his pinky finger in like that. And then a little swirly bit like that. Very nice, everybody. This is looking good. And we can draw his back right about there like that. Now let's draw his chest. Sticking out his chest he is. Just like this. I like it. And maybe we'll have him give us a thumbs up. So let's draw this arm here like this. And like that. Forearm up like that. And we'll draw his cuffs just like this. And like this. A little bit like this. And like that. And then we'll draw a big old thumb here like this. There we go. Thumbs up, everyone. And now we'll make his fist like this. One finger, 2, 3, and here's his pinky finger here like this. We can draw his knuckles like this. And then we'll come around like that. Very nice, everybody. Up a bit like that. And there's the palm there. Very good, I like it, I like it. All right, let's draw a big circle here on his tummy. And now we can draw his legs. Sonic's legs, here we go. A little bit there. Second leg like that. Bring that one on up like that. A little bit of hair or tail right about there. And now we can draw his funny cuffy shoes like this. This is fun stuff. Big old swirly bits like that. jacket. And then a big old shoe that we're gonna color in later. Very nice, everyone. I like that. We'll give him a stripe on that. Super duper. Let's bring the other leg down here like this. We'll draw his cuffy bits like this. Swirl it around like that. Make it fun, everyone. There we go. And let's draw this other shoe right here like that. Heel. Sweet. Don't forget his stripe. And we're good to go. Sonic the Hedgehog, everybody. Let's get to the color. Sonic's got blue fur, a light brown body, red shoes, green eyes, and a black nose. Thanks, everyone.